fam, welcome to day 4 of our arm and belly fat focus challenge, and we are working on those abdominal muscles again today, giving those arms a rest. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart, the muscles for this workout. If you're new, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you, and we are focusing on getting rid of that unwanted belly fat, toning and strengthening our abdominal muscles. And we are going to be doing a squat with a twist today, and I hope you are energized and hydrated for today's workout. So we are going to begin just about now, and I'll be setting my timer for the first minute. Get into position and we shall squat up, twist and twist, pulling in your abs towards the spine. Keep breathing. Squat as low as you can go. Squat up and twist. This works on our legs as well, so very good one. Standing abs exercise. Keep breathing. Give me one more, and there goes our alarm, guys, which I'll rest, catch our breath, and we prepare for the next minute. So just relax it out. Feel free to go grab some water or your protein drink, and don't forget to take a protein within 1 hour after doing this workout. So we are going to get into the next minute in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So just get in position. I'll start my timer over there, and we shall begin straight away. Squat and twist, squat and twist, squat and twist. Squeeze your abs towards the spine. Squat, twist, squat and twist. Keep going.
Con Pao O'Malley, ratoncito le gusta danza cuando estudio en la escuela. Pajarita se cubre botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con ratoncito. Si quieres ser mi amante, debe...
Keep breathing.
Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves. Todo. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez.
Doing amazing. That minute is almost gone, guys. Keep going. Just give me one more. Get up and twist. And there goes our alarm, guys. And we are going to be resting for another 30 seconds. Catching your breath. Relax it out. And we are preparing to get into our last minute. So catch your breath, get energized in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this, guys. The last minute is here. So we want to squat up, squeeze, and twist. Going. breathe in. Whew. Keep going. Just give me one more, and there goes our alarm, guys, and we've done it. 3 minutes are done, guys. But before we end, we need to stretch out those muscles to close our workout. 30 seconds of stretching. So what you want to do is to pull your abs towards the spine, and you want to reach your legs off the ground, I mean your feet, and let your hands reach to the ceiling. You want to stretch out your entire body. You go as high as you can and raise your arms up, feeling that stretch in your abdominal muscles, in your entire body. Keep stretching it out. Keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, and come down slowly. You want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in one more time and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. A high five if you've made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me once again. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and families on social media. Tell them about our challenge if you know anyone who could need it, so that they join us. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, because I do share lots of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family on here, so don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye.